Black coffee. Come here, my son. Sit down there. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Bonso La Femina. Please do subscribe, like, and do comment in the comment section. Today we're gonna talk about the court ruling that has been shaking up, and people are saying and Thembali is winning. Black Coffee released a statement. I'm like, the first point are the intention. He's saying that we both never intended to have a customary marriage. That's my problem there. So you're saying that customary marriage is lesser marriage than that one of a white wedding? What are you saying to us, my dear? Hmm? What are you saying to us? I mean, Black Coffee, I'm disappointed not in terms of your logic. I'm disappointed because you are an ambassador for African continent. Out there, you're actually saying to other people that African customary marriages, they don't matter. I think the statement is saying that they had a wedding, not a marriage. And if my English serves me well, a wedding is a celebration of a marriage. It's a celebration between families and friends that they're celebrating a union between two people, a union that is called a marriage. So now people are saying that hey, Black Coffee, the case is weak. Guys, I don't think that Black Coffee understand or the legal team understand that there's something that you can never do in this country. A thing of disrespecting other indigenous ways of living, especially customary law, guys. It's very clear, it's not even complicated. Family meet with my family, they agree on the price of a celebration, that's a marriage in community of property. Whether later or 15 years later we decide on having a white wedding with a prenup because now you are financially good enough, you see the need for prenup, you are actually scamming me because I took my time building with you, making sure that I support you emotionally, physically, and everything, Kali. And then now that you are well off, you think that I deserve prenup. But back then, when you were paying that lobola, you never think of prenup. I think this is a thing of saying that to Ntlembali and everyone that these customary marriages, they don't matter. That's what Black Coffee is saying. But unfortunately for him, the courts of South Africa always, always see a customary marriage as a marriage in community of property, unless there's a prenup that was signed, which is called antenuptial contract (ANC), which was signed ante. There are many things that we need to clear up. The first thing is ante. What does the word ante mean? It's a Latin thing saying before nuptials, the nuptials, which is the marriage. Before you can tie the knot, you have to state very well that this and this and this and that, but now what I'm seeing with Black Coffee and the guys on the street, guys, we need to be very well aware of the importance of this contract, and as women we should take marriage as a contract. Girls, let's stop taking marriage as something out of love and what. Here in this country, a marriage is a contract, and a contract can be terminated by either or both parties. A contract can be terminated. This is a life partner contract where a life partner includes the business, includes the cars, includes children, includes your emotional stability. It includes everything. So we need to have an honest conversation about marriage in South Africa. It's no longer about love. Marriage is about what I can get at the end and what are we going to get together if divorce doesn't happen. It's just like that. It's simple like that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.